Hi, my name is Danny Wang, and the article I'm going to recommend today is Effects of a Preservative Interest-Based Token Economy on Challenging and On-Task Behavior in a Child with Autism. The authors were Canet, Rostalin, Lang, Toskanowski, Lee, Sackfoot, and Marcin Liksik. The purpose of this study was to replicate and extend the work of Shalop in 1998 and try to compare the effects of a token economy intervention that either did or did not make use of tokens that reflects a child's preservative interest. The dependent variables data were collected in the child's challenging behavior and on-task behavior. Challenging behavior can be defined as screaming, falling, or laying on the floor. On-task behavior can be defined as sitting with two buckets on the floor, head oriented to the teacher, and having the absence of any challenging behavior. Challenging behavior was scored using 10 seconds partial interval recording. On-task behavior was scored using 10 seconds whole interval recording. Interval data were converted to a percentage by dividing the number of intervals with each dependent variable by the number of intervals, then multiplying by 100 to convert into a percentage. Independent variable, the baseline and the intervention sessions were conducted in the child's life skills classroom and inclusion classroom. Two token economy interventions with and without embedded preservative interests were compared, and alternating treatment design has been applied in this study. Next, the IOA. The IOA data were calculated by dividing the number of intervals with agreement by the total number of intervals, then multiplying by 100 to convert into a percentage. The IOA of this article was quite high. It was 98.5%. And treatment fidelity. Treatment fidelity was assessed for 30% of the session. A procedural checklist of intervention procedures was used to record the accuracy. The mean of treatment fidelity was also quite high, 96.9%. The results of the study. The result of the study replicate previous research that token economy interventions with and without preservative interest can help decrease challenging behavior and increase on-task behavior. The result also shows that preservative interest-based token economy can help to improve interventions, efficiency, and effectiveness. There are also some limitations of this study. First, the author did not use reversal treatment design, but chose to use alternating treatment design. So there's a potential of carryover effects in this study. Second, the video cues applied in this study try to prompt on-task behavior were not evaluated as a separate intervention component. And finally, it is possible that the effectiveness of both systems might be the same over time if challenging behavior continue to decrease. That's it. Thank you very much.